Hey, what is going on YouTube world? Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I have the Wen 4 3/8 inch electric hand planer. This is model number 6534. If this is your first time here on my channel, welcome. I'm David. If you are an aspiring woodworker or DIYer like myself, consider clicking the subscribe button. And I love sharing unboxing videos of tools for woodworking. I love doing carvings and wood signs along with other fun, cool projects. All right, let's unbox the Wen Electric Planer and check it out. All right, let's take the knife. Let's cut this tape off. Thanks for remembering Wen. Alrighty, so we have the instruction manual, model number 6534, 4 3/8 inch hand planer. Alrighty. There's some hardware. Edge guide. This is the edge guide. Cardboard. Alright, here we go. It's a pretty hefty piece right here. Hefty. I'll have to check out the weight. And then we have dust port connector. And that's all for this. Okay, we got the Wen hand planer, and this area right here is the drive belt cover. So the drive belt's inside here. The trigger lock, the on and off switch. We have the chip extraction guide, and that's right here. You can flip the blower on either side. That's very handy. I'll show you guys that. Check inside. See, as I click on here right here, it switches over to blow out the right side. I click it back this way, it switches over to blow out the left side. Alright, we have the depth adjustment knob right here. And we've got the gauge. Right now it's set at 0. So we have a adjustable front shoe right here, and then a fixed base rear shoe. Here's the other specs for it. So it's 120 volts, 60 hertz, 8 amps. 16,000 RPMs. Alright, so we got the parallel edge guide. Unscrew the wing nut. Slide this on here. Screw this back on. Then you can adjust up to 4 3/8 inch. And you have the dust port connector. Alright, and down here we have the safety edge stand. You slide it up, click it down, helps protect the blade, and just slide it back on. So now I want to get the leveler. Alright, as you can see here, this is completely flat and straight. Alright, and this also comes with some V grooves. It's for easy to make easy chamfers. So we got a small V groove and a large V groove, or you can take this to the edge of the piece and do a nice easy chamfer. So I have this piece of wood here that I want to clean up, and we take out any metal nails, any staples or anything like that. Make sure you remove all those. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then when I get back I'll plug this in and I'll plane this out and see how nice it comes out. Alright guys, so I set up some two pieces of boards to hold my piece that I want to plane. So I'm going to put on a dust mask. I got the RZ mask, the M2. I purchased this on my own. So far I'm liking it, so let's get this on. Get the safety glasses. Okay. So I got these boards here, so I can hold this piece right there. So I'm going to plug it in, start lock, push it down. Alright, I'm going to put it down one notch. See how that goes. Go down a little deeper. 1/64 of an inch. Alrighty. Look how clean that is. This is how it was. There's all the dust chips. Does a pretty good job at jointing. See right there, no gaps. Alright guys, so now I have this plank board I have been saving for a while. Let's go ahead and plane this and see how it looks. I'll use the edge guide on this one. I'll put that on. So I'm going to do this knob. Put it on the left or the right side. Put that right on here. Alright, so I'm loosen this. See what I can get. Plug it in. Let's take this off now. I can go all the way through. There we go. Look at that nice piece. this, and this. Okay, now I'm going to try to do some chamfers with this V-groove on the bottom here. So I'm going to use each, I'm going to try one of each, small one, and we got the larger one. I'm going to go ahead and do the edge of these. I think it'll be better just with the router, in my opinion. So, yep. Okay, now with the blade wrench that it comes with. So there's two blades on here. You want to unloosen these nuts. So you got one here, one here to replace the blades. And there's the kickstand. Alright guys, so this was the Wen 4 3/8 inch electric hand planer, model number 6534. And this thing is a beast. So if you're looking to get a hand planer, you know, something to smooth out some lumber, I would recommend this one. I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, hit the notification bell to know when future videos are posted, and I'll catch you later.